Hi, I'm Erik Linask here in the TMC newsroom. We're here day 3 of IT Expo West in our new home in Austin, Texas at the Austin Convention Center. Been a great 2 days, and I'm really excited now on the beginning of day 3 to be talking with Christy Murfitt from Nuance Communications. Christy, good morning.
Good morning.
So you had a little bit of a chance to walk around yesterday. What'd you think?
I did. I'm just amazed by how many more companies and exhibitors there are here, and it's just been a great opportunity to get to know what's new.
Well, that's fantastic to hear. Speaking of what's new, I know that Nuance made an announcement earlier this week. What can you tell me about that?
Yeah, I'm very excited to announce, we announced our portfolio of solutions called Nuance Mobile Advantage, which is designed to improve discoverability and accessibility and simplicity for mobile apps for enterprises customers.
So I guess the obvious question, why'd you do that?
Because the smartphone market is booming, and consumers are interacting with companies in wholly new ways. And the smartphone itself just offers a portal into the enterprise, and as enterprises are realizing how many more customers are coming through that mobile channel, they're recognizing that they need to build applications to meet the needs of those mobile consumers. So you're talking about being able to give them self-service on the device, being able to give them access to information that they need handy when they're on the go, as more of us are every day.
No doubt about that at all. So tell me a little bit about the impact that you expect this is going to have on the end user.
So let me tell you about the two products, and I can talk to you about what that does
Sure.
for the end users. So the first product is called Nuance Call Intercept, and what it does is it increases discoverability of mobile applications for consumers, which is actually a real issue. Consumers download on average 40 applications to their smartphones, and upwards of 95% of them are forgotten about within 30 days. So people forget. You get very excited about what you're putting on your smartphone and you forget what you have. So Call Intercept, when a smartphone customer goes to call, customer service number, Call Intercept takes the call and reminds them that they have a mobile application to be used and gives them the opportunity to self-serve on the device. So clearly what that does is it gives a reminder, like I said, but it also will have a benefit for the enterprise, which is encourage self-service on the device from those mobile customers and deflect costly calls to the call center. So the other product that we announced is Nuance Voice Control, which gives consumers the ability to use speech within mobile applications. So many applications today are text-based or touch-based, and speech is a very logical input, and we've seen tremendous consumer feedback and acceptance of speech as an input option for mobile applications. And so what we're doing is we're making it easier for enterprises to add search and dictation to their existing mobile apps to improve ease of use for the consumers.
Well, no question that the use of voice will enable that. Talk to me a little bit about the reliability of using voice as an input mechanism.
It's been proven time and time again. We have a series of consumer-facing applications that have been out in the market for a while now. So our most recent launch was DragonGo, which is just a fantastic application that you speak your request, and it's connected to a whole series of content providers and takes you directly where you want to go. It was rated #1 on the App Store within the first week that it came out, and there was just overwhelming enthusiasm for it because it just works. So when you talk about reliability, speech recognition has been around for a long time, and it's not even a question to be asked really at this point. It just works.
Are you going to sell direct to the market, or are you also thinking about white labeling it?
We sell direct to the market now, and what we sell at these are, Nuance Mobile Advantage is a portfolio of solutions that are modular in nature, so they can be additive. They add value to an enterprise's existing mobile application. So if they can add Call Intercept, they can add Call Intercept and Nuance Voice Control together, or either or, depending on where they are in their stage of development of their mobile application. So we do work directly with the enterprises to bring those products to their consumers.
Excellent. What about availability of the products?
Those two are available today. We're very excited, and we have future products coming out, which I'm very excited about, so we can talk again at the next conference about the solutions that are going to be leveraging natural language understanding, multimodal interface, and multi-channel connectivity.
So once, I mean, you said, you know, voice recognition has been proven time and time again. You're at that stage now. It's just a question of developing new ways of using it?
It's about, so are you going to be doing a search? Are you going to be dictating into a field, filling in a form? You need to figure out the right technology behind the covers for the purpose of the interaction. But it's also about the UI design and the interface. So where do you put, how do you let consumers know that they can speak? Because you do have to enable that. There's going to be some type of touch. You need to enable a button to listen, because otherwise it's going to be expecting type or touch. So those types of design subtleties are where our UI experts come in handy in terms of how do you make your mobile applications easy to use, because that's what you're going for, is you want this to be an engaging platform for communication with your customers.
So other than games and things like that, are there any mobile apps that you really couldn't voice enable?
That's an interesting question. I always think about what you can do with it. I'm virtually any application that, it's all about giving the customer a choice, right? If I'm on a subway, or if I'm in an airport, or if I have my toddlers standing near me and it's just crazy, I'm probably going to choose to type or touch.
Sure.
But if I need to enter my tracking number for my package, a long 16-digit alphanumeric character, it's really hard on that smartphone keypad. It's really complicated, and I get very frustrated because it's auto-correcting for a word that doesn't exist. So that's where speech comes in handy. So it's really about choice for the consumer and flexibility, and that's what we're excited about.
Excellent. Well, Christy, thank you so much for joining me. And yes, let's do this again in Miami.
Fantastic. Sounds good. Thanks.